Welcome to our tutorial on how to add drivers from a list available on your desktop using the Zeo platform. This process allows you to quickly add multiple drivers at once. Let's get started. Prepare your spreadsheet. Include the following details: name, email, phone number, store location, skills. On the drivers page, select Upload option on top right corner. You can upload the input file from your system, Google Drive, or provide your Google Sheet link. Ensure the accessibility permissions for the sheet are enabled. You can also manually add driver details by using the Upload Manually feature. Map your data. Match the columns in your spreadsheet to the appropriate fields in Zeo, such as name, phone number, skills, and email. Before finalizing the import, review the information to ensure everything is correct. Edit or adjust any details as needed. Once verified, complete the import process. Your drivers will be added to your route planning list within Zeo. And that's it. You've successfully added drivers from a list, making route planning more efficient. Thanks for watching.